Hello everyone, Cryptodesh here. In this tutorial I will show everyone how to open your eggs that you gain from the CMC airdrop. So first of all, we have to go to the Metamon Island game. If you're one of the winners, you should have received an egg in your wallet, and I will show you how to deposit it into the game and how to open the egg and how to withdraw the NFT again to your MetaMask wallet. So yeah, let's start. This is the Metamon Island game. Pressing enter. How to connect your wallet. You're gonna use MetaMask or Wallet Connect. In my case, I use MetaMask. You just press sign, and right now I don't have any Metamons. But for the game, you don't need any Metamon. If you just want to open an egg, you can do it without having a Metamon. So that's very convenient. So as you can see, the newest release, yeah, you must deposit your Metamon, or if you want to play, but you don't need to have a Metamon to open the egg. So as you can see right now, this is a screen without any Metamons, and my egg right now is in the game, is in my wallet assets. So if I go here, and I see this page right here with Metamon Egg, and my wallet balance right now is 1 Metamon Egg. So I'm gonna press on the 1, and I'm gonna deposit it into the game. Also gonna pay a small fee of BNB. So just keep like 0.01 BNB in your wallet. That's just enough to cover the fees. And after that's done, you will officially have deposited the Metamon Egg into your wallet, into your game wallet. And then you can officially open the egg and gain your rewards and NFTs. It's a very simple process, and as you can see, if it's successfully done, you will see deposit successful. So right now I'm going back, and then right now I'll go to the backpack. As you can see, here's my Metamon Egg. Now I'm gonna open the egg. Just the same process, press on open, then press on again. And I got 2 potions. Right now, okay, so I got 2 potions in the game. How do I get them out of the game? It's also a very simple process. We go to the game assets right now, instead of the wallet assets, game assets. Then we go to the potions, and right, as you can see, I have 2. I just press 2, and then press withdraw. And then I'm withdrawing from the game to my actual MetaMask account. So then I can sell them on the NFT marketplace, or I can transfer them to a different account. So that's basically a tutorial, a step-by-step guide how to open the egg, how to withdraw the NFT you get out of it. It's super simple. It's not hard at all. You don't even need a Metamon. You just only need the Metamon Egg. But if you're one of the airdrop winners, you will get the egg. And you just need a little bit of BNB, just like 0.01 to cover the fees. The fees are really low. So yeah, that's basically it. And right now, if I go to the wallet assets again, you can see I got my potions into my wallet. It usually takes like a little bit of time. Yeah, as you can see, 2 potions. So that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.